Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Well, the man is here to make your day, of course. You want to refinance, you want to take some cash out, you want to purchase a home, link up Shazim right now, the refinancing doctor in the building live and direct at 718-325-5555. And the man said he's on a mission for the year 2008, so we got to say welcome to him live and direct in the studios of Link Up Radio. Shazim, what's up, man?
How are you, Sean?
I'm doing good, man. How's things over there at First Republic Mortgage Bankers?
Great. Beautiful. Magnificent.
Magnificent.
Sean, we're experiencing a lot of people locking in their interest rates, man, because rates are extremely low at the moment. You know, we've got this week a special 4.5% for refinancing on a 15-year mortgage. What an amazing interest rate, man.
That's a sweet
4.5%. I have not seen this rate in my lifetime. I mean, you know, 40 years ago, maybe these rates were around. But today, 4.5%. You could read the APR, the lovely people out there. What's that APR on that 4.5?
5.44 and cost per thousand is $7.65.
Wow.
180 payments.
Look how inexpensive that is, Sean. I mean, you're getting a very lovely interest rate, 4.5% for refinancing on a 15-year, only 180 payments. I mean, this is amazing, folks. We're going to give you a telephone number here, 718-325-5555. A lot of people out there have got their homes 5, 6, 7 years, and they've been paying on their mortgage on time, and they've come to a point of where they're saying, we need to pay off my mortgage. I don't want to stay with my property for the remaining 22 years or 20 years. What can I possibly do to pay off my property earlier? Well, listen to this, folks. We've got a 4.5% for 15 years, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of this debt in only 10 years. Call me right now at 718-325-5555. We will give you a 4.5% interest rate that is fixed for 15 years, and I will show you how you can get rid of it in only 10 years. 718-325-5555. One additional thing, Sean, is that past credit problems are understood with this program. If you find yourself being late here and there, 1 month or 2 months, and you've been late on your credit cards, you've got a collection, maybe you've got a charge off, you simply had a dispute with the creditor and saying that wasn't right on my credit report, folks, we can be able to get you this 4.5%. An amazing interest rate. Look at the lines, Sean. Look at the lines go. 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Remember, folks, this rate is limited. Okay? Funds are limited at First Republic because the Federal Reserve, from my understanding, they're going to go ahead and meet, and they're not sure whether they're going to bring the interest rates down or they're going to carry it up. But right now, for 15 years, we've got a 4.5%, an amazing interest rate, folks. Lock it in right now, 718-325-5555. Now, Sean, I know you have a lot of questions for me, man. I see you can't get rid of me today. Go ahead. Let me hear some questions you got for me.
All right, folks, we have we have Shazim in the building for First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Nah, man, Shazim Ali, all right? He's in the building live and direct, the only refinancing doctor over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. He's the man to speak with when it comes to refinancing. And right now, as you heard him say, 4.5% for refinancing. Everyone is grabbing the opportunity right now, all right? So make the call now. Link up Shazim. His assistant is here at 718-325-5555. Now, Shazim, you're the king when it comes to refinancing. You know the ins, you know the outs, you know how to annihilate these credit cards and consolidate these bills that these folks may have that's going on right now for them. They had it in the year 2007. They brought it into the year 2008. You're the refinancing king, doctor over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Now, let's break down some of the facts where a lot of folks can save money, refinance, even though they just purchased their house a few months ago. How can they take some cash out of their house and pay off some bills that they have since last year?
It's a great question, Sean. A lot of people have purchased their home 6, 7, 8, 10 months ago. And, you know, I'd like to do this. I'd like to evaluate your situation, look at your DTI, your debt to income ratio, evaluate the overall credit, and see if it's worth it with only 6 months of seasoning on your mortgage. Usually, there are really no programs out there that can do only 6 months. However, on a 1-year strategy, if you've owned your property for 1 year or more, the FHA program is available to you. And this is the program that is very, very great. I mean, it's a 5.5% for 30 years and a 4.5% for 15 years. Sean is going to read the APRs for you because, you know, I can't remember the APRs, to be honest with you. So, Sean, go ahead. Tell the people the APR for the 5.5% on the 30-year fixed FHA loan.
All right, the 30-year FHA 5.5, the APR on that is 6.28, and cost per $1,000 is $5.68 for 360 payments. All right, now you have the 30-year conventional, right, at 5.375.
Beautiful. Look at these
Hold
rates,
on, with
man.
the APR only 5.56, cost per $1,000 $5.60 with only 360 payments.
Very
That's conventional.
inexpensive.
Now,
Very
Shazim,
cheap,
before you
cheap rates, man.
very
I'm so
inexpensive.
excited.
Before
I'm
you-
so excited.
before you
It's
proceed.
like Jesse Jackson and Ronald Reagan fighting. I hear these interest rates.
Folks, you're trying to reach out to Shazim right now here in the studios. Please call 718-324-5465 because the 325 number is jammed right now as a traffic jam on the I-95. So call 718-324-5465. Call that number right now. Shazim is in the building, your refinancing doctor. He'll give you the facts on how to refinance and even save money at the same time. So if you have any questions you want to ask Shazim, now is the time to call. He's in the building every Thursday. The refinancing king is here. 718-324-5465, and he's live and direct. And once again, the 15-year FHA is going right now for 4.5% for refinancing.
Woo!
Now, as we said before, last year, towards the end, we don't know when these interest rates will change, and we urge everyone to lock in the interest rate while it's low. So when it do change, or if it changes, at least you know you locked in at 4.5% for the FHA 15
That's
year.
why I'm so excited, Sean, is because a lot of people tend to neglect this fact, tend to overlook the opportunity that's knocking on their door. Because right now, a 4.5%, when I began this program with you, Sean, we talked about the 4.5% and how the last time 4.5% was around was 40 years ago. 40 years ago. I'm 29 years old, folks, okay? I haven't seen that time. And right now, with the rates being so low, it is very, very interesting.
Insane.
The amount of people coming to First Republic, locking in the interest rate, even if they've got past credit problems. I mean, we are a direct bank, folks, okay? First Republic Mortgage Bank has been doing business for over 13 years under the name First Republic Mortgage Bank. Scott has got over 25 years of experience.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we got like 10, 15 guys over at First Republic who are ready and able to assess your situation, give you confidence, and also show you the way through all your problems to help you out, folks. We're not talking marital and relationship problems. We're talking financial problems. A lot of us out there have got financial problems, and we need to do something about it. We cannot just sit around and expect something's going to happen. You know, all said, with financial problems, you've got to overcome any obstacle in your life, folks, especially debts. Your debt to obligation have got to reduce, and I can show you how to do that. Simply pick up the phone, give me a call right now at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Sean, I'm going to take some calls right now because I see the switchboard is off the hook, man.
All right, so folks, make the call right now. Shazim is stepping out the studios. Give him a ring at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make that phone call right now. All you folks right now who have bills, have credit cards, and is messing up your credit, you're stressing yourself out, you're unable to purchase certain things and get certain things. Now is the time to refinance, consolidate those bills, and take some cash out. Link up Shazim, the refinancing doctor, at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. 55. Make the phone call right now. 15-year FHA special for refinancing going on right now over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. It's only 4.5% with an APR of 5.48 and $7.65 cost per 1,000 for 180 payments. So make the call. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, not a problem. Everything is all done all under one roof over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. As they say, eliminate the middleman. Make the call now. Link up Shazim in the building. Your refinancing king, your doctor at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.